Did you know the amount of data we create globally is projected to hit 527 zettabytes by 2029? That's not just a lot of cat videos, friends. It's an insane amount of information that's literally shaping everything around us right now. Forget sci-fi movies. The future isn't some distant, abstract concept anymore. It's here, it's building itself, and it's moving faster than you can say neuromorphic processing. But what does that actually mean for us? For our jobs, our lives, our daily routines? What are the truly mind-blowing innovations that aren't just buzzwords, but are fundamentally redefining the next decade? We're talking about a world where AI doesn't just live in the cloud, but on your coffee machine, and where the lines between biology and technology are blurring faster than Marcus Aurelius could ever have imagined. So, if you're curious about what's actually coming, and not just what the headlines are screaming, stick around. Because we're diving deep into the tech trends that will define our world. And trust me, some of these are going to blow your mind. All right, settle in, because today we are taking a trip, not to a specific place, but to a specific time. We're talking about the future. And no, this isn't some crystal ball mumbo-jumbo. This is about what's coming, what's already here, and what we absolutely need to be paying attention to right now. Think about this. By 2029, the total volume of data produced globally is projected to hit an astounding 527.5 zettabytes. That's not just a lot of cat videos, folks. That's a tsunami of information that's fundamentally reshaping everything. And while Roman sage Marcus Aurelius advised against letting the future disturb us, frankly, if you're not a little bit disturbed, a little bit excited, you're probably missing the point. We're not just talking about incremental changes anymore. Innovation is rapidly shifting from those big, centralized systems we've always known to these incredibly efficient, distributed intelligence models. That means things are getting faster, smarter, and way more personal. The Office of the Director of National Intelligence even published a report looking out to 2040, and they're predicting technological developments will simply accelerate. This isn't just about what tech giants are doing. This is about how your daily life, your job, your kids' education, even the way we interact with each other, is about to be utterly transformed. Our actions today aren't just for us. They are literally shaping the experience of future generations, for better or for worse. So, this isn't some abstract concept anymore. This is urgent. This is critical. And one of the most exciting and frankly mind-bending shifts we're seeing right now is the rise of edge AI and neuromorphic processing. The abstract concept, it's happening, and frankly, it's already here. Now, I know those numbers, the zettabytes of data, the shifting intelligence models from centralized to distributed. It can feel a little overwhelming, right? Like trying to drink from a fire hose. But what I want you to really take away from all this isn't just a list of cool tech trends. It's about recognizing that the very fabric of our reality, how we live, work, connect, even how we think, is being profoundly reshaped. Think about it. Edge AI, neuromorphic processing, these aren't just fancy terms. They mean our devices are becoming smarter, more independent, processing information right there without needing to send everything off to some distant server. It means faster responses, greater privacy, and a completely new paradigm for how we interact with technology and, by extension, each other. This isn't just about faster internet or fancier phones. It's about a fundamental shift in how intelligence operates in our world. So, when we talk about the future, it's not some distant, unchangeable destiny. It's a dynamic, evolving landscape that we are all, in some way, creating and experiencing right now. The choices we make, the innovations we embrace or question, the conversations we have, they all play a part. This isn't a passive journey. It's an active participation. The future isn't something that happens to us. It's something we build every single day with every piece of data created, every new line of code, and every thought we put out into the world. So what does this all mean for you? What are you most excited or maybe even a little apprehensive about when you think about the next decade? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I genuinely want to hear them. And if you found this deep dive interesting, hit that subscribe button because we're going to keep exploring these fascinating topics together. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.